Understanding gear shifting in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, gear shifting. This term is not just about cars, but it's a powerful way to describe changes in conversations, situations, or attitudes. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. In this section, we'll explore the roots of gear shifting. Originally linked to driving, where changing gears adjusts the car's speed and power, the phrase has evolved. It's a metaphor in English for adjusting one's approach or changing the topic in a conversation. Here, we'll delve into how gear shifting is used in everyday conversations. It often indicates a change in the topic or a transition in the tone of the discussion. We'll look at examples to see how this phrase can be seamlessly integrated into your English. Gear shifting isn't just casual, it's also used in professional environments. This section will cover how to use this phrase in business meetings, presentations, and when making strategic decisions, especially to indicate a change in focus or strategy. While gear shifting is a versatile phrase, it's essential to use it appropriately. This section will highlight some common mistakes and provide tips to ensure you're using it correctly in various contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel comfortable using gear shifting in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about adapting to the situation, just like shifting gears in a car. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro at this in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.